Hello and welcome back. I'm Scott.
And I'm Allison.
And we are jaw-jacking with Jarhead and Ginger.
And friends. We have Bill, Natasha, Bella, and Will from Nursing Our Travel Bug. Hi guys.
Hello.
Hi. We got to meet them last night and have dinner with them and Wayward Wags, and decided to come out and chat today. It's beautiful Colorado sunshine.
That's right. And do a jaw-jacking with friends, because those are the best ones anyway.
Right. So how about tell us how you got started, how long you've been full-time RVing and all that.
We started in 2017. It all started with moving from Oregon back to Nebraska, and Natasha got into travel nursing.
Yeah. And I did the travel nursing thing for almost a year, just doing local travel contracts. And then we talked like, well, why can't we do this as a family? So we head to YouTube and we find other families that are doing it. And we thought, well, why not? Let's have an adventure.
Awesome. 17, so that's 4 years ago?
Yeah.
4 years this month.
Wow.
Yeah.
That's pretty cool.
So you do the nursing, you go around travel nursing, find different contracts where you want to go, and then you're currently work camping, right?
Yes. I did one other job at a Corps of Engineer Park in Waco, but this is kind of my first official work camping job. Otherwise, I say I hang out and yell at the kids all day.
That's not true. But he does my laundry. He does a lot of the homeschool stuff so that when we have our off days, we can go out and adventure as a family.
Oh yes.
Cool.
That's
So
awesome.
he stays busy.
Where's the best place you've been so far?
You want to start?
Crazy Horse.
You gotta speak up really
Crazy
well.
Horse. Crazy Horse. Oh yeah.
Where's that?
South Dakota.
Okay.
Oh, what did you like about that?
I was seeing it when it's carved, when it was being carved.
Oh, yeah.
And it's still being carved today.
Oh, that's awesome. Wow. And
I really liked going to Disney World in Orlando.
oh, I bet. Of course. Yeah. I would like to go to Disney World, but not. I have to find a Disney buddy.
You can go. I'll park and you can go.
I don't know, it's a tough one for me. There's been things I like about every area we've been in, or almost every area. But Colorado was actually top of my list. So we were really excited to get a contract here and spend a lot of time here. So I'm
And
going to
you're-
tentatively say Colorado.
You're 3 months in a row, right?
Yep.
On your contract.
Yep.
Okay. And last but not least, favorite place?
I'm going to stick with, her job was in Connecticut, but we had a chance to go to New York City.
Okay.
I got a chance to see the Mets play at the home stadium. That was kind of like, I always say it was my pilgrimage to Mecca.
Oh boy.
It was always a someday I'll get there, and made it happen.
Nice.
Awesome. So you want to tell us about your home?
So we have a 42-foot fifth wheel, and it's a Jayco North Point 377 RLBH. And why, oh why, did we pick such a monstrous RV, though?
That's all my fault, because I'm 6'10". Everybody knows. Everyone who meets me asks me, so.
We're all sitting on pads this big, you guys can't tell. Just so we'll be about the same size as Bill.
So we went shopping and basically found one I could pretty much stand on.
Right?
So that was the plan. That's how we shopped.
Well, and we wanted space for the kids. Like, ours is a mid-bunk, so it has a room for one child and then a loft over top, because that was really important to have that separation so that, you know, when you live tiny, you get on each other's nerves a little bit more.
Boy.
So everyone needs, like, their escape.
Yeah.
I bet it's hard to do with teenagers, almost teenagers especially. I don't think we could have done it with our kids when they were teens. But we did have 4 at one point. But 2, yeah, I can't imagine the 2 of us and 2 teenagers living in ours. But we're a little older than you guys too.
The one bathroom is tough.
Oh yeah.
And you're like, okay, I need to go.
Yeah.
Bathhouse
Hurry
is
up.
over there somewhere.
Gotta know where the bathhouse is when you pull in every
Yeah.
Right.
For you, what is the worst part of full-time living in an RV?
Moving all the time, picking up and packing up all the time.
Being able to fully get away when your brother takes you off.
Oh yeah, to escape.
No place to run.
You need to go for a walk.
It's called the outdoors. Hello.
You got all the room you need out there.
Exactly. I don't know. I think the most challenging part is the fact that stuff always breaks.
Oh yeah.
And I mean, you know it going into it, you know it at the time, but it still sucks.
Absolutely. Every time something goes wrong, you're like, why me? Why now?
Right.
Especially why now? It seems everything breaks at the worst time too.
Yep. God has a sense of humor.
Yeah, apparently.
So that was pretty much my answer, but I guess with me being big, like I'm always bumping my head, even when you get used to it. We've been in it 4 years, but I'm still, I'll bend over the wrong way and stand up,
Knock
and then
yourself
you're like,
out.
oh, this darn Cracker Jack box, you know?
Yeah, absolutely. Great.
And you have one dog. What's your dog's name?
His name is Bernie.
Oh, okay, Bernie. And how old is Bernie?
Is he 6? About 6. Yeah. He's a rescue dog. We actually adopted him in Bernie, Texas.
Oh,
okay.
Yeah, okay.
Cool.
That's awesome.
We had to spell it differently, otherwise no one would know how to spell it.
Oh, that's true.
Yeah. Like green.
Yeah.
The video we did on green. That's a weird
Texas.
spelling.
And so, what's the best part for y'all?
Getting to meet new people all the time.
Oh, yeah, that's one of my favorites.
I like going with places.
Oh, yeah.
Learning about geography.
Oh, geography. That's awesome.
I love the adventure. I love exploring. And I've said it so many times, but America itself is such a unique country because you have such a variety of climates, landscapes, and that's just our home.
Right.
And to be able to have that freedom to get out and see and do and live in it, I mean, there's no better dream than that.
All of that, then for me, I'm always talking about the food. You know, you're
Oh,
gonna
yeah.
go to New Orleans, and you gotta have your crawfish and your beignets. You gotta go to Chicago and eat a hot dog, and pizza, or whatever. And then all the craft beers along the way. Or just the local beer. It doesn't have to be the fancy craft beer.
Right. And being full time in an RV allows you to see more of the country, like she was talking about too. But I definitely like going place to place and eating food there too. Whatever's the specialty. Go in and say, what is this? I always Google, what is this town known for, or whatever, or this state, or whatever.
Just don't get the lutefisk in North Dakota.
Oh,
Just trust
no.
Is it different than normal lutefisk?
I've not tried it,
Okay.
but it sounds disgusting.
I've had it. I've had
Yeah?
lutefisk before, and
Yeah?
it's actually pretty decent.
I don't know,
Now we
man.
gotta try it.
You got to give it a shot.
That's like northern Minnesota. We were there too. We were in the Michigan, but I guess yeah, we never.
Oh yeah.
No, in Fargo, I remember the locals were talking about how it's a tradition that they hated.
The lutefisk.
Yes.
Cool. What do you think you're going to see while you're here? What do you want to see while you're here? I guess first we should say we're in near Colorado Springs in Colorado, so you guys will be here for quite a while. So what do you think you're going to see while you're going to get into it? What can we see on your videos later?
We have ventured to Pikes Peak, but the day we went it was kind of cloudy, so it would definitely be fun to go again. Garden of the Gods is amazing. Seven Falls, I think that's a hidden gem in this area that a lot of people don't know about. That's pretty amazing. Manitou Cliff Dwellings, Cave of the Winds, and that's just what I can think of here.
Right.
That's just right off the top of my head.
Yeah.
We got here, and the RV park that we're in gave us a travel brochure, and I was looking through it, and I'm like, oh, we can do this and this and this. I already had some ideas of what I wanted to do. But then the whole time we're here, it's been raining. We have not done any adventuring.
This is our only video from Colorado. We were here 4 days. We should have had at least one other video by now. The weather stopped us.
It just means you have to come back.
We will definitely be back. Well, maybe not if he's driving, because he doesn't like the roads here.
Yeah, the roads aren't as bad as the parking areas. You can't get out of the parking areas here.
Yeah.
It's crazy.
They make it a puzzle.
So, like we said at the beginning, they do have a YouTube channel. It's called Nursing Our Travel Bug. If you haven't checked them out, go and check them out and see what they have coming up, or what they have done in the past. You know what they have coming up. She just told you. Where else can anybody that doesn't know about you guys find your stuff?
Yeah, so we have a Nursing Our Travel Bug Facebook page. We're on Instagram, Twitter, TikTok. I think that's it, right?
We have a website. Will built our website. Our
Wow.
Yep.
part of his homeschool.
You don't even have a website yet.
No.
Well, Will can make you one.
Yeah.
He loves it.
Have to talk to you about fees later.
Yeah, www.nursingourtravelbug.com.
Or just
Awesome. Well, if you're still here, thanks for sticking around to the end. And we'll see you next time on Jaw Jacking with Jarhead and Ginger.
Bye.